15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine full power. And liftoff. USS 67. Go Falcon Heavy. Go Space Force.
On my radio, some cat was laying down some rock and roll on a solar cell. Then the loud sound
Moisture chamber pressures are nominal.
Came back like a slow voice on a wave of bass. That wasn't no DJ, that was hazy cosmic jive. There's a starman waiting in the sky.
T plus 40 seconds into flight under the power of 5 million pounds of thrust. Falcon Heavy is headed to space. So we did throttle down the engine around the T plus 40 second mark in preparation for max Q. And great call out there that we have passed through max Q. That's the largest mechanical stress improvement on ascent. And incredible views there on your screen. Falcon Heavy in flight. Now next events coming up will be booster engine cutoff or BECO, followed by separation of the side boosters, and followed by their side booster boost back burns. And then will be center core main engine cutoff, or what we call MECO. And those events coming up here just under a minute away. That will be BECO. That's where the side boosters engines will shut down. The center core will push those side boosters away from the vehicle. Then those two side boosters can begin to make their way back down to Earth with their boost back burns. And on your right hand screen you can see the views from each of those side boosters. Really incredible views here. Again, we will have BECO, side booster boost back burn, followed by main engine cutoff of the center core in just a few Incredible views. We just had BECO and separation of the side boosters, and you can see on your left-hand screen that the side boosters have lit back up. They are now in their boost back burn, making their way back down to Earth. Those side boosters are returning to Florida under the power of 3 engines. That's 3 of the 9 M1D engines. Next up will be the conclusion. Next up will be the conclusion of those side booster boost back burns, followed by MECO on the center core, as well as stage separation of the center core on the second stage, and then SES-1 or second stage engine start 1. As I mentioned previously, for the request of our customer, we won't be showing second stage views after SES-1. Additionally, our center core or stage 1 is expendable today, so we will not be attempting to recover that vehicle, but we should have some great views like we are seeing right now.
Core boost back shut down.